BrewDog started back in 2007, very famous with James Martin and a dog in a garage in Fairsborough. And they've gone from small home brewing to where we are now in Ellen, which is a 1 million hectolitre brewery and the largest craft brewery in the UK. We decided to invest in the second brew house because we've just been growing incredibly and we needed to be able to keep up with that growth and keep giving BrewDog beer to all the people that wanted to be able to buy it. And that's where we decided to approach Ziemann Holvrieka. We also wanted to make sure we were making things in the most sustainable way we could. So we were looking for a brew house that actually was not just one that could service our volume, but could do it in a real energy efficient, sustainable manner as well. When it came to planning the new brew house, obviously we had to make sure it could make the volume that we wanted. That was a given. But really it's the other things then. So it's actually how much energy is it using? How much energy is it able to recapture and put back into the process? And how efficient is it in sort of actually the yield that we get from the brew house? So that all of the ingredients we're buying, we're getting the maximum return back into sort of our beers from those. Once we've gone through the design development phase with Ziemann Holvrieka, it was then agreeing on a turnkey approach where they sort of manufactured everything out in Germany and were able to sort of ship it over to us here in Scotland, where we were able to then install it here on site and literally have a finished brew house handed over to us. Key features of the new brewery are we've got a Kernsdale raw material handling system coming in, we have a wet mill, which is the first for us here at Ellen, and then we go from a 350 turn brew up to a 500 hectolitre turn brew. That 500 hectolitre is also a high gravity capability, so it really gives us an increased volume and output capability. The brewery is now all installed. We've been through our commissioning and actually we've done the final sign off where we've done 12 turns in a day, which was the aim we always expected to get to. And the brewery is now handed over to the brewers and it's fully operational here at Ellen. At BrewDog, we absolutely want to keep expanding. That's our ambition, that's our dream. So I want to keep installing equipment here to keep up with that demand that we've got. And I'd absolutely go to Ziemann Holvrieka again as part of that.